comes out of the toolbox when it gets back from the job sites. We take it to the laser checking station. We check it and all's good. Donnie gives it a spin around, checks it the other way. And again, that reads reading good. So now, put the laser back in the box. And this laser is number 9, so it goes in the appropriate spot. Number 9. Donnie then scans it in as received, and it's back on the shelf. Scanned. The email goes to him, and then he takes the card off that, puts it back in as received, and then he marks it in the date that he's checked it, so the guys know it's good. So if the laser would have came in, say number 8 would have came in, we would have grabbed the card from here, 8, and if it didn't check out good, he'd put it back up here, and it'd need service, and we'd know, but it'd still get scanned in and everything, but then on the note with the scan, he would know that it needs service. Then at any time we can look up at the board, and any place that's red and it's got a box in it, we know those need to be sent out for repair. For laser or Heath, Donnie's going to come to the board and he's going to grab like number 7. We know number 7's it's good by looking at the tag.
Make sure it's in there.
Donnie's going to check the box again, make sure everything's in there.
Make sure that the tag is on the laser, even though we've already checked.
He's checked it. He's going to take the card off, put it on the board for out on the job site. He's going to mark what job it's going to quickly. And then he's going to scan it as out.
And as I scan it, I put in the job that it is.
And then
it sends it to me telling me what job.
And that's all we got to do to scan them in and out.
Quick lesson on how we proceed with checking in and out our lasers. We've got a QR code here on the top of the laser box, and we've also got a QR code right here on the laser. We can scan either one of them, but we just go ahead and go onto our phone, pick out the QR code. Once we scan it off of the box or off of the laser, when the foreman goes ahead and sends the email, he can put in notes on the email itself, and then he sends it to me, and I put it in a file. If they have a problem out in the field with a laser, they can go ahead and scan the laser of the box, send me an email. The reason for scanning these lasers is we scan them in and out of the tool shed here, out to the field, and then if the guys in the field have a problem.
Who is that knocking at my door?
With a laser, they can go ahead and scan the laser, send me an email, let me know what the problem is. That way we can keep them tracked, keep them serviced. When my guy goes out to the field, I'll be able to look at my list there and see if they got any lasers that need serviced. I'll have him pick them up, bring them back, that way they're not laying in the gang box. And he can pick them up when he's there, bring them to me, or take them straight out to the service center.